Hi, my name is Olivia, and I'm a Partner Success Consultant at Receipt Bank's London office. Today, I'm going to talk you through how you can submit and process your sales documents into Receipt Bank. I will explain how you can upload your sales invoices, how you can manage them in your inbox, and also how you can eventually export them into your accounting software. So without further ado, let's get started. We are now in our Receipt Bank account. The first thing I want to point out is if you look at the left side panel at the left side of your Receipt Bank account, you will be able to see your workspaces. What we mean by workspaces is these are the areas where you can manage the documents that are coming into Receipt Bank. You'll see on the top costs, which is any of your purchase invoices or receipts that you or your client have sent into Receipt Bank. But today we are going to talk about how you can manage your sales invoices. So to start off with, we're going to go into our sales inbox. Once we are there, we want to add our first sales invoice. So simply go to Add Sales. You will then be taken to a new page where you will be able to upload your sales invoice into Receipt Bank. The first thing to look at is whether you want to upload a single item or multiple items. If you have multiple invoices that are all just one page each, then multiple items PDFs will be the right option for you. If you have put it through, say with a bulk scanner, but they are all on a separate piece of paper each and consist of only one page, then this is a good option. However, if you have any invoices that are more than one page long, say 2, 3, even 4 pages long, please put them through single item, as this is a way we will know it's a separate invoice. We distinguish between invoices based on a page break, so if it is more than one page, we will not know that unless you put it through single item. Once you have decided on this, you should now select the owner of this invoice, so which of your users is submitting this. This drop-down is pulled through from the users that you have created for this client's account or your own account. Once you have selected this, what you will want to do is either drag and drop your item into the green box like this, or you will need to click here to select the file from your computer. Once you have submitted, you will be able to see it in processing, as you will see in a moment. Once we have processed, we will either put it into review, which means there is something after extracting it that we feel you need to change or look at before publishing to your accounting software. If we put it in ready, this means it's ready to go as far as we know. Click into ready and view your invoice by clicking the invoice number here. Once we are here, we need to first make sure that the customer is correct. We will pick this up, but if it is not the right customer, simply type in another customer to go and find the right one for you. We will pull through the customer list from your accounting software, and you'll be able to view your customer list on the side here under lists. You will also need to put in the correct category, so the correct nominal code that has been pulled through from your accounting software as well. Again, you can view this list that has been pulled through the list part of your left side panel, third down, just under customers. Choose the correct category through the drop down. And once you are happy, you are almost ready to publish. One last thing is to consider that if this invoice has multiple tax codes or categories, we do have the option of creating line items for this. Simply click here and you can create as many lines as you need to put in the separate categories and tax rates. Make sure the total amount equals the overall total amount for the sales invoice, as if it doesn't equal the total amount, we will not allow it to publish. Once you are happy, all you have to do is click Publish, and this will go through to whichever accounting software you have integrated with. If you have not already integrated with your accounting software, you can do this by simply going down the left side panel to Manage Client and go into Connections and Integrations, and you'll be able to connect from here. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found that helpful. Please access our Help Centre online if you would like any further information or help with the platform. But I hope you found that useful, and I hope you have a good day.